In this video, I will guide you how to create a spinning image effect in CapCut PC. First, you need to import your video to the timeline and then go to the import and select the image. So I have this image, so I'll put on the timeline, adjust according to the media, resize it and go to the video and click on the mask. Create a mask. If you want to create a circle, then you can create a circle. Now place your mouse at the starting point of the image. Here you can see that, and now go to the basics tab, and here you can see that is the rotate function. So you can see that rotate. Click on this diamond button and now move ahead and rotate your image, and again move ahead and rotate your image. Again move ahead your cursor and rotate the image. Move ahead your cursor and rotate the image, and again move ahead your cursor and rotate the image. And again move ahead your cursor, and you can also reverse the image and reverse the image and move ahead, reverse your image, and again move ahead and reverse your image. So you need to complete this process until you satisfied with the spinning effect. So now let's play it how it looks. So here you can see that your image is spinning and reverse effect is also applied. So in this way you can easily spin your image in CapCut. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.